Good day everyone! Andito po tayo ngayon sa Verde Royal Townhomes, Barangay Bahay Toro, Quezon City. We are here to check this 3-story residential house and lot for sale. Tara, samahan niyo po kami. This property has a lot area of 140 square meters and a total floor area of 322 square meters. Tara, check natin ang loob. Ito naman ang receiving area po natin. For the parking space, we have 3 cars kasya dito. Plus yung gilid, we have 2 cars naman. So a total of 5 cars na pwede tayong gamitin for parking. Going inside, so ito yung dating opisina. You can use this as office. We have a restroom here and your kitchen plus your maid's room. Meron tayo dyan. Dito, your dirty kitchen, you can use this one plus your service door. Let's check naman yung second floor natin. Very good for exercise. Alright, so this is one of your rooms, the second floor. It's very wide. You also have your separate toilet and bath and your built-in cabinets here. Ito, meron tayong grotto dito nilagay. You can have your meditation, prayers. This is another room. May sarili siyang built-in closet and toilet and bath. Alright, let's go. Third floor naman tayo. Sarap maglakad. So, this is another room. With your own toilet and bath and built-in cabinets din. Plus, ito, meron kayong magandang view. Magandang view ng neighborhood natin. You have a separate kitchen here too. And this is your master's bedroom with built-in cabinets then. Plus your own toilet and bath with your own jacuzzi. So we also have a kitchen here sa third floor, just beside the master's bedroom. That's it for our house tour. This is Hansel Sumera, real estate broker from Televero Realty. Salamat po!